Protein has never tasted this good. Hello everyone and welcome to the first episode of Dessert Won't Hurt, the series where I turn your favourite snacks into protein-packed desserts that won't affect your waistline or your performance in your workouts. Today we are making my version of Snickers protein pancakes, and the aim is going to be to hit over 40 grams of protein as well as keeping the calories under 500. And while that might sound like a lot, it will be filling enough to replace a meal, and 500 calories is equal to just 5.5 chocolate biscuits and is actually half of the calories of a pint of ice cream. And if we're all honest, I know most of us can admit to smashing through a whole tub of Ben & Jerry's while binging on a Netflix series on a Wednesday night. So stay if you want to satisfy your sweet tooth the right way. And if we hit my goal of 50 likes on the video, I'll be releasing the second episode at the same time next week. That's Wednesday at 4 p.m. English time. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video goes live and you won't miss an episode of your new favourite series on YouTube. With that being said, let's get into the video. And now this is an important part of the recipe. We're going to use 80 grams of banana, and this is important because we're going to chop the banana into small pieces and they are going to go into the pancake as you're frying it. Protein pancakes can be dry, so putting these banana chunks into the pancake is actually going to help them stay moist and stay delicious while still staying low on the calories. So as we all know, the filling in the Snickers bar is caramel and peanuts, and that's what gives it that flavour that we all love. And this filling that I am making now is what gives the pancake all of that Snickers flavour through the middle. 8 grams of peanut butter powder, which gives it that nutty flavour, and this Sweet Freedom fruit syrup, which is low calorie and low sugar. That gives it the caramel sort of flavour that the Snickers really gives you. Mixing them together creates an awesome flavour, and you won't believe me until you try it, but it's actually unbelievably like the Snickers. Alright, you put this in the middle layer of the pancake. You put the second pancake on top. And you won't regret making this recipe. Now the mixture is ready for some heat, so you put it in on medium into the microwave for 20 seconds just to get that little mixture a little bit warm so you can mix it slightly. Once you give it a stir, you can add in some chocolate infused honey, which is going to give it a bit of extra sweetness and help it set nicely on top of the pancakes. Before we finish, I just want to say, if you have made it this far and you enjoyed the video, hit the subscribe button for me. It's absolutely free and really does make a big difference to a small channel like mine. Each subscriber is a small step to big progress. And I'm trying to build an active community through this series, so if you are able to try this recipe, please do, and let us know in the comments. Suggest what one of your favourite snacks you want to see in the next video too, as I'm always open to new ideas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.